Hey guys, this is Rashad, and I wanted to just reach out and say thank you to the Wholesale Inc. Family, Tom Kroll, Cody Hofhine, the whole group, everybody involved there. I just wanted to say thank you guys. Me and Jonathan learned a lot of good information and implemented it. And then about 3.5, 4 months later, we got a deal closed and done. We did have one deal under contract, so it was a little sweet taste of victory in this one. And we're looking forward to what more deals there are to come and the things that will come from this opportunity that we both got to partake together. But anyway, I just want to tell you guys thank you, appreciate it. If anybody's interested in joining Wholesaling, I highly recommend it. You will not regret the money invested into your future, let alone the information they provide is worth the time and worth the effort, especially if you put some work and grit into it. Thanks again.